Think you've heard of every job out there? Think again. From professional cuddling to bug farming, these are the 5 most unusual jobs in the USA right now. And they actually pay well. Let's jump right into the countdown and see what makes these jobs so unique. And, well, lucrative. Picture this. You're working from your couch, maybe with a pet curled up beside you, or a steaming mug of coffee within reach. Headphones on, laptop open, ready to dive into the digital world. But instead of answering emails or crunching numbers in a spreadsheet, your job is to oversee live conversations between humans and AI chatbots, ensuring a safe and engaging experience for everyone involved. Welcome to the world of Livestream moderators for adult AI chatbots, a fascinating and rapidly evolving field. This is one of the fastest growing remote jobs in America, offering flexibility and unique challenges. The demand is skyrocketing, fueled by the increasing sophistication and popularity of AI companions. This is as more people turn to AI companions, seeking connection and conversation in the digital realm. These interactions range from simple, flirty chats to deep late-night confessions, where users share their innermost thoughts and feelings. Moderators keep things safe, ensuring that all interactions adhere to community guidelines and legal standards. They also keep things respectful and sometimes a little spicy, maintaining a balance between engaging content and responsible interaction. Stepping in if conversations cross a line, whether it's due to inappropriate language, harmful content, or violations of privacy. It's a job that's as much about empathy, understanding the nuances of human emotion and providing support when needed, as it is about enforcement, applying the rules fairly and consistently to maintain a positive environment. These moderators aren't just babysitting robots, they're playing a crucial role in shaping the future of human-AI relationships. They're shaping how people connect with AI on a personal level, fostering meaningful interactions, and ensuring ethical boundaries are respected. The pay? Let's talk about the financial incentives. Most earn between $30 and $70 an hour, making it a lucrative option for those seeking remote employment. And you can do all of this from the comfort of home, eliminating the daily commute and creating a more relaxed work environment. With remote work, you can do this job from anywhere, offering unparalleled flexibility and freedom. Your bedroom, transformed into a cozy workspace, a coffee shop, buzzing with energy and inspiration, or even the beach, with the sound of the waves as your soundtrack. Why is this job so unusual? What makes it stand out from the crowd? It combines tech skills, a familiarity with digital platforms and communication tools, with an understanding of human psychology and intimacy, allowing you to navigate complex emotional landscapes. Moderators are the thin line, the guardians of virtual intimacy, keeping things ethical and enjoyable for everyone involved, ensuring a positive and safe user experience. Some conversations can get intense or emotional, requiring a delicate touch and a strong sense of judgment, so you need to be sharp and ready for anything, able to react quickly and decisively in challenging situations. As these chatbots get smarter and more sophisticated in their interactions, the line between human and machine blurs, raising important questions about the nature of connection and communication. There's a whole world of work happening behind the scenes in the digital age, a hidden workforce powering the technology we use every day. Sometimes the most unusual jobs are the ones shaping the future of how we connect, defining the new norms of digital relationships. One chat at a time, one interaction at a time. Would you ever take on a job like this? Let us know in the comments. We're curious to hear your thoughts on this unique career path, but don't go anywhere, because the next job on our list is just as intense, demanding focus and quick thinking. And way messier. Prepare for a job that gets your hands dirty in more ways than one. Let's move on and dive into the next unusual occupation. Let's head from the virtual world to something much grittier, a world often unseen and unspoken about. Imagine walking into a room where tragedy has just struck, the air thick with unspoken stories and lingering sorrow. Your job? Not to solve the case, not to uncover the mystery, but to restore order, dignity, and safety to a space that has been violated by unfortunate circumstances. Welcome to the world of crime scene cleaners, one of the most emotionally and physically demanding jobs in America, a profession that requires a unique blend of resilience, compassion, and meticulous attention to detail. While detectives gather evidence, meticulously piecing together the puzzle of what happened, these professionals step in when the flashing lights fade, when the official investigation begins to wind down. Their role is to clean, sanitize, and restore spaces affected by trauma, meticulously removing any trace of violence or despair, making them safe, habitable, and ready for loved ones and communities to begin the long process of healing. Every scene is different. Some involve hazardous materials like blood, bodily fluids, or other biohazards, demanding extreme caution and specialized handling procedures. Cleaners suit up in protective gear, meticulously ensuring every inch of skin is covered and protected from potential contamination. Armed with industrial-strength cleaners, powerful disinfectants, and specialized equipment designed to tackle even the most challenging situations. Their goal? To erase every trace of tragedy, to eliminate any reminder of the events that transpired, so families can begin to heal and rebuild their lives in a space free from the haunting echoes of the past. It's not just about cleaning, it's about providing closure and respect, treating each scene with the utmost care and sensitivity, acknowledging the human element behind the task at hand. Crime scene cleaners need certification and rigorous training, learning not only the technical aspects of cleaning and sanitization, but also the psychological aspects of dealing with trauma scenes. The mental toll can be just as heavy as the physical one, requiring cleaners to develop coping mechanisms and seek support to navigate the emotional challenges of the job. Many say the hardest part isn't the mess. It's the stories behind each scene, the silent narratives of loss, grief, and despair that permeate the air. Without these professionals, families would be left to face unimaginable trauma alone, burdened with the daunting task of cleaning up after tragedy while grappling with profound emotional pain. Cleaners often work odd hours, sometimes getting called out in the middle of the night, responding to emergencies with unwavering dedication and a commitment to providing immediate assistance. The pay reflects the demands most earn between $25 and $50 per hour, a recognition of the risks, challenges, and emotional labor involved in the work, with experienced pros making over $75,000 a year, demonstrating the potential for financial stability and career advancement in this specialized field. Why is this job so unusual? Because it asks you to face the darkest moments of life head-on, confronting the harsh realities of human existence with courage and compassion. You see things most people never will, witnessing the aftermath of events that can shake the very core of your being, but you also get to be part of the healing process, contributing to the restoration of hope and the alleviation of suffering. Many cleaners find deep meaning in their work, knowing that they are making a tangible difference in the lives of others, bringing peace to families in crisis and helping them navigate the difficult path toward recovery. It's a calling as much as a career, a vocation that demands a unique combination of skills, empathy, and unwavering dedication. So next time you watch a crime show, remember, someone has to clean up after the credits roll, someone has to restore order and dignity to the spaces left behind, and it's one of the most unusual and important jobs in the country, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the unwavering commitment to helping others in their time of need. On to the next one. Alright, let's switch gears, and get ready for a job that's as weird as it gets. Imagine waking up every morning, heading to work, and getting paid to smell strangers' armpits. This is the life of a scent tester, a crucial but bizarre job in the world of deodorant and fragrance companies. Their job? To literally sniff out the effectiveness of deodorants, antiperspirants, and perfumes. Companies need to know how their products perform in the real world, and there's no better way than a human nose. Test subjects apply a product, go about their day, and then return for a professional sniff test. Scent testers are trained to detect subtle differences in odor, and their feedback can make or break a new product launch. The pay? Entry-level scent testers can make around $35,000 a year, while experienced noses can earn up to $70,000. Why is this job so unusual? It's the kind of thing you'd never imagine exists. Would you be brave enough to take a whiff for a living? Drop your answer in the comments. Our next unusual job involves babysitting some of the world's most dangerous birds. Let's take a trip to the wild side, a journey far beyond the ordinary, literally. We're diving headfirst into a world where the birds are bigger, the stakes are higher, and the jobs are, well, let's just say they're not your typical 9 to 5. Deep in Texas and Arizona, sprawling across the sun-baked landscapes of the American Southwest, there's a job you've probably never heard of. A role so unique, so unexpected, it might just ruffle a few feathers. Ostrich babysitter. Yes, you heard that right. Someone gets paid to look after these massive, quirky birds. Ostrich farms hire people to care for these giant, flightless birds, ensuring their safety and well-being from the moment they hatch. It's a 24/7 commitment to these rapidly growing creatures. Their daily routine includes feeding, making sure each chick gets the nutrients it needs to thrive, monitoring and protecting ostrich chicks as they grow, keeping a watchful eye for any signs of illness or distress. Ostriches grow fast, transforming from fluffy chicks to towering adolescents in a matter of months. And by just a few months old, they're already taller than most people. Imagine trying to keep up with that kind of growth spurt. The risk? Ostriches can't fly, despite their impressive wingspan and occasional attempts. But they can definitely chase you, and they're surprisingly quick about it. Running up to 45 miles per hour, faster than most cars in a school zone, and delivering a kick powerful enough to break bones. So, it's not just about cuddles and cooing, there's a real element of danger involved. Babysitters keep a close eye on the chick's health, monitoring their behavior and physical condition for any abnormalities, help with medical checkups, assisting veterinarians in administering vaccinations and treatments, and sometimes wrangle runaway ostriches. It's all in a day's work when you're dealing with these curious and energetic creatures. Most ostrich babysitters earn between $15 and $20 an hour, a decent wage for a job that's anything but ordinary. With full-time workers taking home up to $40,000 a year, not bad for spending your days with some truly unique animals. Why is this job so unusual? What makes it stand out from the crowd of typical occupations? It's not every day you see someone sprinting after a bird the size of a small horse. It's a sight that's both comical and awe-inspiring. Ostrich babysitters need nerves of steel, a calm demeanor, and the ability to think on their feet, and a sense of humor. Because let's face it, things are bound to get a little silly when you're dealing with ostriches. Would you dare to wrangle an ostrich? Would you take on the challenge of caring for these magnificent yet slightly intimidating birds? Let us know in the comments. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this wild and wonderful job. Our final job is all about comfort, connection, and the healing power of touch. But before we get there, let's appreciate the sheer audacity of the ostrich babysitter, a true testament to the diversity of the working world. Now for our number one most unusual job in America, professional cuddler. In cities like Los Angeles and New York, this niche career is taking off. Professional cuddlers offer non-sexual, platonic touch therapy for clients dealing with loneliness, anxiety, or trauma. Imagine walking into a cozy studio, greeted by someone whose only goal is to make you feel safe and cared for. Professional cuddlers create a space where clients can relax, talk, or simply enjoy the calming power of touch. The job requires empathy, strong boundaries, and specialized training. Most professional cuddlers charge $60 to $100 per hour, and some make a full-time living from their work. Why is this job so unusual? Because it challenges everything we think we know about intimacy. There's no romance, no sex, just platonic connection. In a world where physical touch is often misunderstood, cuddlers are breaking down barriers and helping people heal. Would you ever try this? Or would you feel too awkward? Let us know in the comments. Sometimes the strangest jobs are the ones that touch the most lives. That's our countdown. But don't click away, we've got a killer outro coming up. So, which of these jobs surprised you the most? Each of these careers proves the American job market is stranger and more innovative than ever. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the weirdest jobs in America, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.